Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DOLV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis on numerous occasions, did it yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And was not planning on doing this today, but you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls are creating an interesting pattern here. Now, just because it's an interesting pattern, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying therefore this is guaranteed to be at 15 cents tomorrow. I'm not saying that, but the fact of the matter is the bulls continue to creep higher and higher by putting in these higher bases. And as they're putting in these higher bases, if you want to picture those as stair steps, they also continue to creep closer and closer to this very stubborn area of resistance up there at 8 cents. So interesting pattern, not making a whole lot of noise, but kind of a ninja move here, just quietly, I take that back. I suppose right here, that wasn't exactly a quiet move, but outside of that, it's been relatively quiet in, how the price has been creeping back upwards. Again, am I sitting here saying that therefore tomorrow it's guaranteed to break 8 cents and go up to 25 cents? I'm not saying that, just taking note that the bulls are quietly making progress, over the past several days. In regard to kind of visualizing those areas of support or those quote unquote stair steps, 0.065 is going to be that ideal level that you want to see hold. Price temporarily got below it today, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a good job of eventually fighting back above there and getting and staying above there. And then next key, support, stair step, whatever you want to call it, down here at 0.055. So nothing has changed there from the previous videos that I've done. And same with resistance, nothing has changed there. 0.08 still public enemy number one for the bulls. So nice day today with a recovery. And then nice past few days as the bulls are quietly creeping upwards. So we'll see if this leads to anything or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.